Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are diving into the delightful world of pasta and exploring its benefits. Yes, you have heard it right. The benefits of eating pasta. When prepared the right way, pasta can be a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet. So, before we talk about its amazing benefits, let's get cooking with an easy, healthy, and tasty pasta recipe. Let's get started. So, first, let's gather some veggies. You can use whatever veggies you have in your fridge. Today, I'm using carrots, capsicum, tomatoes, and some of my spicy ladies. Now, the secret ingredient for our creamy pasta is coming. Can you guess it? Yeah, it's paneer. We will see how to make our pasta creamy and delicious with paneer. So let's dive into the steps. So we will just put paneer into a grinder and add some water. You can do it manually in a chopper as well and just make it into a paste. So once the paste is ready, we will move to the next step. You can see that this is how the paste will look like. Now we'll take a pan and we'll add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour into it. Take wheat flour, no maida. Roast it, dry roast it until it turns brown. So once you see that it has started changing its color, just turn off the gas and add some water and the cream we made and just mix it well. Once it gets a bit thick, you can just add on some more water to adjust the consistency. We just don't want it to be very thick. Then we will just mix it and add some spices to it. We are adding black pepper powder, red chili powder to make it a bit more spicy, and pink salt. Now we can just mix it well and let it get a boil. Once it gets boiled, our sauce will be ready, and then we can keep it aside and move to the next step. But before that, we need to add more one more thing. That is our paste of mint. It will give a really fresh taste to your pasta. I always keep it in my fridge like this in a paste form, and it lasts longer this way. So our paste is ready. Now we'll take a pan and we'll add some oil into it. I'm taking mustard oil. It's healthier option. So then next we have to add our veggies, and that should be cooked until they get soft. To make them soft, you can just add a bit salt if you wish. I'm not adding it because I've already added that in my paste. So now that is done. The veggies will get cooked in some time, and just cover it for some time. And once that is cooked, we will add our pasta, boiled pasta, already boiled pasta to it, and that should be mixed well. Now the time comes for us to add our cream to it, the paneer cream. Let's add it, and you can see that how it is. Now once you have added that, mix it well, and then we are going to add one more thing which will give it a very good taste. You can make it yourself at home as well, but I have just bought it from outside, from my nearby store. This is the red sauce, pasta red sauce. It is easily available everywhere. So just add a spoon of it, and your pasta is actually ready for you to have. Now you can see how beautiful it looks, how creamy it is. It is actually tasty, creamy, healthy. You don't have to put a lot of unhealthy ingredients to it to make it creamy and delicious. Now we will just garnish it with some more paneer, and you can have it now. Now I'll show you one thing. Just have a look on now. See how beautiful it is. It is healthy. You can enjoy it. You don't have to compromise on anything. You can just enjoy whenever, even if you are on diet as well, you can eat it. So this is how the pasta making is. Now we will just move to the next part of it, and we'll see that how beneficial pasta can be to us if we cook it in a right way. So let's see the benefits of it. So pasta is great source of complex carbohydrates, which provides sustained energy levels. When made with whole grains, it offers fiber, iron, and B vitamins. It's incredibly versatile. You can add various veggies and proteins to make it all-rounded nutritional meal, like we did today. Um, Plus, pasta has a low glycemic index, which helps manage blood sugar levels. So, I would suggest you to make it in a healthy way. Add a lot of veggies and protein to it in the form of paneer, or you can even add soya chunks to it and enjoy it. Just try to go with the suji pasta, or the multigrain pasta, or maybe the wheat pasta. Don't go for the maida pasta. It is not good for your intestines. And just enjoy the benefits of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please don't hesitate to share, subscribe, and like my channel. I'll see you. Take care. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. Bye.